The RenovaRP Centesis System will instantly save you and your patient's valuable time by safely, quickly, and effectively draining pleural effusion and ascitic fluid. Traditional paracentesis and thoracentesis, relying on glass bottles, wall suction, and gravity-fed waste bags, can be time-consuming. Using the RenovaRP pump, your patient is treated quickly and effectively, often in less than 30 minutes per session. The setup of the RenovaRP pump is fast and easy. The pre-assembled tubing quickly and easily fits across the pump head between the rollers and the track. The T-shaped stopcock assembly fits into the recessed area of the pump handle, allowing you to redirect fluid flow for continuous pumping. The tubing connects to the two 1.5-liter drainage bags, and the other end of the tubing connects to the catheter. The RenovaRP pump has a front-facing dial, which allows for complete control and adjustment of the fluid flow rate from 0 to 100%. The adjustable drainage feature of the RenovaRP pump provides more personalized, comfortable procedures for patients. Safe, simple, effective.